Welcome back to Sailing with Faith. It's been a while, around about 4 months actually. If you look at the previous videos, this is video 20, but if you look at the previous videos, you'll see why. We had some catastrophic damage. And I had to jerry-rig a plate on the back and sail it to another marina to have the work done. So this was the very gentle sail down the James River to Brown's Marina. There's that strange white rainbow that was following us half of the journey. So it gave us a chance. The boat sat on the hard for 4 months, waiting for this repair to be done, which is the fiberglass work to the back. We did a lot of other bits and pieces on the boat, so it wasn't totally wasted, but we haven't been sailing. You can see where it chopped the back off completely, grinding against the dock because one of the springs failed. The Irwin Citations 34-foot used to have a vertical plane where my hand was just then, but I opted to go all the way out to a sharp point, and I think it looks a bit nicer. That never touches the water. It's always going to be 3 or 4 inches above the waterline, so I think it'd look really good. The exhaust as well was over to one side, and I opted to have it in the middle just to make everything a little bit more symmetrical. And it's a very nice job. Now it's just finally setting and waiting for the paint to go on. You'll see in a second. We did a lot of work. We put a new prop on. I raised the engine to align the shaft a little bit better in the rear shaft through hole section. And there it is with the paint on. Nice and white and glossy, a little bit whiter and glossier than the rest of the hull. But at some stage I shall do the rest of the hull as well. It's all been polished and cleaned up. We've got a new fresh coat of anti-foul, and she's ready to go. So you'll see in the next video our fantastic trip that we took from Brown's Marina to Belle Isle Marina, which is just off the Chesapeake Bay. Nice shiny hull. I haven't ever seen it that clean since I've owned her. We did the rear rudder support as well, and here's my wife and daughter messing around. Yeah, we're ready to go. So in the next video we would have dropped her in the water, as you can see here, and the next video will show you that trip. It was fantastic. We had 3 or 4 different schools of dolphins. We were hitting 7.3, 7.4 knots at some stage. Average 5.5 knots the whole journey. It was about 26 miles. Everything was just absolutely sweet. So please like and subscribe, and you'll get notified of that next update.